What up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today's just a chill chat. I just want to document, talk about my experience drifting my STi for the first time. It's a highlight for sure as far as my experience owning a Subaru, and it's something I've looked forward to since I was like a wee lad. And drifting the Subaru on pavement kind of has me intimidated. I just haven't really learned it yet. I'm still figuring out different types of traction control, and then using the center diff, blah blah blah. But anyway, so it rained yesterday and we went ham, and I did about 3 takes. Dawson recorded. I'll put the videos here, and then the last one, I saw those cars and locked up the brakes and then just clutch kicked out of it, and it turned out sick. So I'll let you guys watch that. When I started doing those drifts, messing around, it was actually way easier than I thought it was going to be, and way more controllable. That all-wheel drive is woo, just as good as it sounds, because when we usually loop out with a rear wheel, it just keeps pulling around. It's nuts. So then got comfortable with that, and that was super fun. I was screaming on the freeway after, just so stoked because it was so fun. And then later that night, I found an empty parking lot, and I was like, yeah, it'd be cool to do some donuts here. And those were so easy. I did it one time before the video and then once for the video after, so I'll roll that clip.
Well, this cart's in the way.
I'm hooked. I'm so hooked. I need to figure out how to do that on pavement, although I won't be doing that on pavement all the time because I really don't feel like buying tires that often. So when it does rain, oh my gosh, it's I'd say it's funner than drifting rear wheel as far as messing around. Rear wheel definitely winning on dry pavement, wet too. But when it's slippery conditions, the all-wheel drive is insane. I'm so stoked. If you guys have any tips for drifting your Subarus, anything like that, comment below. Send me a message on Instagram. Send me videos of you guys doing it. I'd love to check it out. But yeah, I just want to chat, talk about a highlight of my experience owning Subaru, and see you guys next video. Later.